In this video, I will show you how to invite friends Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, as you can see, we're currently here on Monopoly Go. Now to go ahead and invite friends, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down and press the friends button in the bottom right hand corner. What that's going to do is open up a window like this, and if you look down towards the bottom, there is a green invite button. So all you want to do is press onto the invite button, and what you can do is invite friends through Facebook, or you can choose the orange button to create an invite link. So if you go ahead and press the orange invite button here, and what it's going to do is load up a window like this, and if you look at the top, you've got your invite link here. So all you need to do is go ahead and press copy. As you can see, that's now copied this link, and what you can do is invite friends with your link through whichever method you choose, whether that's through something like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, email, or whichever method you choose. Now, by inviting friends, you do receive rewards. So as you can see, we've got our bar here, and by inviting so many friends, you get 20 dice, 60 dice, 100 dice, and the final prize when you've invited 10 friends, which contains 150 dice and the Mr. Monopoly token, like this. So that is a quick tutorial on how to invite friends Monopoly Go. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.